Hope you guys are having a great day. This is Blaze, and I'm so excited. I'm pumped about this video. But first, I gotta get me some energy. Yeah. When it comes to crypto can be very volatile. It can be up 30% one day and then down 50%. For example, whenever the bull run was going on in crypto, Shiba Inu was up almost like 6,000%. And then now this month, it is down a ton. Or like Bitcoin when it got to 62,000 and then it dropped all the way down to 32,000 and now it's slowly trying to get back up to the all-time highs. But on the contrary, the stock market has been stagnant and it hasn't really been going up or down. It's just been kind of flatlined, which if you're trying to make a short-term gain, that's going to be impossible to do. So in this video, I'm going to see which one is a better investment, crypto or the stock market. So I'm going to put $500 in crypto and $500 in the stock market, and we're going to see in a week who's gonna give us the big gains. I'm gonna try to do a similar investing strategy for the crypto and the stock market, meaning I'm gonna have some conservative stocks and some conservative crypto. And not only that, I'm gonna pick some really volatile stocks and crypto, and we'll just hope the whole portfolio goes to the moon. And the fun part begins. I get to pick my stocks. Now, I was gonna use Webull, but it said I already had an account. So I'm sorry, Graham, couldn't get my 2 free stocks on Webull.
My choice is to remind you again for a second time to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm.
I had to use Robinhood. Robinhood's really simple. I don't really like Robinhood. I'm gonna find some stocks, I'm gonna put $500 in, and I'll see you in like 2 seconds. I don't know why I'm so excited about this. I bought 3 stocks. I got QQQ, which is mostly just tech stocks, and it's a large cap. The second stock I got was Vanguard, a small cap, so a little bit of smaller companies. And these will give me a small return on my money, hopefully in a week. And the last one, just to support Meet Kevin, I got some AMC, not a whole bunch, I only got 100 because I only had 500. So AMC is very volatile. It could crash any day now, but hopefully at the end of the week, it skyrockets and pumps up the portfolio for the stocks. Okay, so don't hate me for this. I've made 3 videos about Bitcoin essentially, and guess who doesn't have any Bitcoin? I don't have any Bitcoin until now. So I bought $200 worth of Bitcoin and I bought $200 worth of Ethereum because you can't go wrong with Ethereum. Hopefully it jumps back up to, what was it, $4,800 per Ethereum. And the last crypto I'm super excited about, and it's probably the stupidest one that I've done. I did Ethereum Max. And if you don't know what Ethereum Max is, if you watch the Floyd Mayweather fight, that's what he was representing. You know, you can't lose. He's a billionaire. You might become a billionaire with the $100 I put in there. Because of all the fees that I had to do, especially with the Ethereum Max, you had to pay like these gas fees from Ethereum, and it can get really expensive. So right now we're sitting at $477.32. Yeah, so let's give it 24 hours. And hopefully we've made some gains. Today is the 3rd day of the challenge. It's Sunday. I started Friday a little later than I wanted to because I just figured out on the stock market, 2 of my stocks that I tried to purchase did not go through. Only QQQ went through. And right now we're at $515. So I'm hoping that crypto has way more profit than that. But you know, lately it's been tanking because of a lot of different reasons. I don't know if you can hear Huck huffing and puffing, my bulldog. It's like 95 degrees outside, so it is kind of hot in here. Hit the like button if you think crypto's up more, or hit the dislike button. Hit the dislike button. I guess hit the dislike button if you think that stocks are up. Pull that up real quick like, and see what we're doing. Yeah, Bitcoin is down about $4. Ethereum's down $5. But the big hitter is going to be Ethereum Max. I forgot to tell you this, but Huck actually chose Ethereum Max for our altcoin. Ethereum Max, let's go Floyd Mayweather, woo! And I told him every day it's up, he gets a treat. Oh, these freaking altcoins. I put $100 in. And we got $204. Let's go! Woo! We're up 100%. Yeah, baby! Gotta listen to Floyd Mayweather, and Huck knows what he's talking about. Look at him. Is Huck a crypto genius? Because everything else is down today. We put in, when I say we, me and maybe Huck, I put in $500 in crypto and we're almost at $600, 25% return in 2 days. And yeah, it's beating the stock market right now, which is only up 15 cents. But so far, my investment altogether is almost $1,100. Woo! I'm gonna give it a couple more days before I look again so the stock market can catch up to the crypto because, you know, stock market is closed on the weekends. So, you know, crypto kind of had a head start. But diamond hands, baby. Right, Huck? Okay, it's Wednesday, and I know this weekend we got to check out the portfolio, but it was really not fair for the stock market because stock market was closed, and I really only bought one stock because the other two I bought too late. Now, I have not looked at this since Sunday, even though I'm so addicted to checking my crypto every 5 seconds. And looking at my crypto every 5 seconds just gives me that nice, smooth hit of dopamine.
Nice.
So today we're actually down 1.74%, but overall we're up $502.02, which is a crappy return if you ask me. And the only stock that's actually making us money is AMC. We bought it around, I think, $52, $53, and we're at $55. The other ones were down. You would think QQQ and VBR, which are essentially just long-term investments, would do better. No, but thank you for Meet Kevin. He's been doing a lot of videos on AMC, so has everybody else, and I've jumped on that train, and it's benefited me $2 whole. And crypto is so unpredictable. It just depends on what day you look at it, because it could be up, you know, like I said, 10-15%. And I transferred all my Bitcoin into BlockFi because you get, I think, 6% interest on it. And if you want some free interest, click down in the link below for BlockFi. It's awesome. So I bought $200 worth of Bitcoin, and it is worth $202.14. So right now we're already up $2. We're matching the stocks. Let's go ahead and check Ethereum. And Ethereum is killing us. We're at $192.15, so we've lost $8. And you would think that since Ethereum is the second largest crypto that it would be up too, like Bitcoin, but yeah, apparently not. All right, so now we're gonna go to Ethereum Max, which Huck picked out, and if we're not down on that, then he gets a treat. This is the one I'm most excited for because it's been jumping up and down like crazy. On Sunday, I think we were at 200. I think we doubled our profit. I hope it's still up and it hasn't crashed. I just hope so. Come on now. We're still golden. Woo! Ethereum Max, we're at 152.60. Now we lost $50, but we're still up $52. That's like a 30 cent. That's 33% profit. Yeah. So after adding up all the crypto, we're at $548, which is a 10% return, which is amazing just for less than a week. And sadly, we're only at 502 with the stocks, which is kind of sucky and terrible. So you kind of know where this video is going, but we still got 2 more days, and I'll update you on the last day, which is Friday, and we will see you there in a short period of time. It'll be like 1 second. Treat, you get your treat for you, buddy. Woo! There you go. Good boy. It's the last day of the challenge. It's Friday. And yeah, I kind of have a gist of what's going on because I looked at my main portfolio. And it's kind of depressing to say the least. And the stock that I'm most curious about is AMC because it's our, you know, most aggressive stock that we got. All right, so we bought it at $51.99. And it's at $58.95, which is a return of 13.39%, which is $13.39. AMC did really good for the week. That's a huge return for 1 week. I plan on holding AMC for at least a month and maybe add some to my position. The next stock that we got was a small cap from Vanguard, and we bought that for $200, and it's down $169.13. And that's a negative return of 5.79%. Yikes. That's terrible. Why does it down so much? Almost 6%. And the last one we have is QQQ, which is all the tech stocks basically. And we're up 0.27%. Woo! Big gains. Let's go. So for the total week, we're at $502.79. A big whopping $2.79 profit. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Let's go to crypto where we get bigger gains. holding. Let's go to the moon. Diamond hands. Hold. We put $200 in Ethereum, and Ethereum is at 176. We've lost $24 already just in Ethereum. And crypto did fall a ton today. It just depends on what day you're looking at it, because it could be up, $200. So yeah, Friday was not a good day for crypto, but we still have Bitcoin, and we have the big winner, Ethereum Max. Bitcoin, I put $200 into Bitcoin. It is down to $186.37, which is a 14% loss. This is not good because I've been hyping up crypto for a couple months now. Ethereum Max is at $114.40. Our return of $14, which is about 11%. Is that 11%? Yeah, I'm not very good with math. I think that's 11%. This is a huge drop from Sunday, because Sunday it was at 200 and it got up to 232 during that day. That's a huge drop. It's been dropping, but yet again, it's still up from 100 that we originally put in. So Huck gets another treat. I'm sure he's going to be happy about that. Woo! And I know why Ethereum Max has dropped, because this week a lot of celebrities pumped it up for some reason, and yeah, pumped and dumped just like that. So kind of killed all my profits. Thank you, Kim Kardashian. So in total, we're at $477, which is really horrible. We've lost $23. So in total, we put $1,000 for this challenge, and we're at $979. But I'm going to hold these same cryptos and stocks for a whole month, and I'm going to update you and see, hey, have they gone up or not? I really did enjoy this challenge because I really was curious to see which one would do better. And they kind of did the same. I just know that crypto can go up a lot, and stocks aren't going to go up a lot, and they're not going to go down a lot. I'm really excited to see what happens in 1 month and see which ones do better. I'm not going to touch them. I'm not even going to look at them. I'm just going to film a video and show you where they're at. I appreciate you guys so much. We'll see you in the next video. Later.